ADT, your trusted neighbor, proudly headquartered right here in Boca, is recognizing two incredible first responder organizations, the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Foundation and the Boca Raton Police Foundation. As a company committed to connecting and protecting what matters most, ADT is proud to support those who keep our communities safe. Presenting $15,000 checks to each organization is former Boca Raton Police Sergeant, FAU alumnus, and ADT's own Rich Saria. Accepting for the Police Foundation is Chairman Alan Rose, and for the Sheriff's Foundation, Executive Director Rick Seymour. Let's hear it for ADT and these organizations for their commitment to keeping our communities safe.
Bring your attention to the court as ADT, the Town Hall Security Partner of the Fort Atlantic Owls, on our first responders who make a difference in our community. Today we recognize Officer Dylan Fisher of the Boca Raton Police Department. Officer Fisher has proudly served for nearly 2 years working for outfit policing and building positive relationships within the community. A 2024 FAA graduate with a degree in criminal justice, Officer Fisher is honored to serve and give back. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for our ADT First Responders Salute. Security, and the officials from Health Security Partners of Fort Atlantic Owls has been honored local heroes in our community as part of ADT's First Responders Salute. We proudly recognize Boca Raton Fire Rescue Firefighters Nikki Esposito and Anna Freeland. Nikki, a tear-building cadet, not only serves the Boca Fire, but also active in the community helping shape our next generation. She currently coaches youth girls volleyball. The Owls in who also serve as the Boca First and 7th Honor Guard. Put them on the corner. Good. Owl fans all season long, ADT, the most trusted name in smart home security, and the official security partner of Boca Raton Owls, has been honored to be our first responders. ADT First Responders Salute. Today we recognize Boca Raton and Boca Raton Police Officer Richard Lugerman, who has served our community for over 20 years. All of the has served a dedicated to leadership and leadership. We currently work